Hello everybody, how are you today? From ahorraryganaarhoy.com. We are going to tell you a few things about how the things are going in Spain with the biggest shopping community. How to register yourself, how to get the more benefits, and how to get money back on every purchase that you do. So let's go straight on the chase. That's the page. You see that we have booking, for example, and a lot more shops. So if you go here, you can start searching and you will find that we have more than 2,000 shops associated. You can pay your electricity bill, you can go to Carrefour, you can go to booking, how you already saw. You see that we have Nike, Parrot, all that belongs to Corte Inglés that works with shopping gifts. That's a new one here that's looking for parking, that you can find the parking in an airport, in a harbor, in a train station, and much more at the best price, for sure. You have Yves Rocher, Banggood, Europcar, Levi's, Pixmania, and a lot much more. We are going to stay a whole day showing you which are the shops. Thing to do is to register yourself for free. How you can do that? It's pretty easy. You have the link below where you can put your country. These are all the countries available. In the case that you are not going to find the country, just send us a message and we are going to put you on the waiting list. Your first name, your last name, your birthday, and also your mobile phone. In the case that you are going to change the country, for example, if it's going to put US, that changes, and you have the first name, the last name, your mobile phone, and your email. Very important, you should click on the recommender and all the other boxes. You click on next, and after that you will receive an email that you have to verify, and starting from there you are going to be part of the biggest shopping community where you can get money back on every purchase. And also you are going to get shopping points. They are the only points on the market that they have really value. Every single shopping point will have the value of at least 5 euros or the equivalent in your currency, and the maximum of 10 euros or also the equivalent in your currency when you are going to exchange it on some offers that the shops are going to launch. There are different discounts, how you can see. But the most important thing is every time that you are going to do a purchase, you are going to get some money back and some shopping points that they are going to multiply their value for you. So, these are some examples of how you shop. For example, there are a lot of purchases done here in eBay, in AliExpress, in Saxo Print, and whatever. They are small amounts. They are bigger amounts, and every single time you are going to get money back and shopping points too. So getting back, the only thing that you have to do, you have to register yourself with the link that you have below. After that also you are going to get some support from our part, from our team, to maximize your discounts. And also, but we are going to talk about this in another video, how to make money referring to other people. So see you next time and have a great day. Bye bye.